Hi guys, it's Luke from Luke's Mushrooms, and today I'm going to cook my favorite creamy mushroom sauce recipe. So let's start with some dehydrated mushrooms, which I put into water and let them soak for about 30 minutes. When they are soaked, I wash them once again and cut them to smaller pieces. As a side dish I use rice. In this case I will use 2 cups of basmati rice. The rice needs to be washed, so I usually do this for 3 times. I put the washed rice into rice cooker and I use same amount of water as the amount of rice. In my case now I use 2 cups of water. I use 1 onion and cut it to small pieces. Here I have some chicken breasts. I use only salt and black pepper to season them from both sides. I put some oil on a pan and fry them from both sides for a couple of minutes. Then I use some more oil in the pan and put the onion inside. When the onion is caramelizing, I add mushrooms, salt them, add water, mix it a bit, cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Occasionally we can open it and stir. After 15 minutes we can let it open and add cream. Then mix it well and let it cook with open pan. We cook as long as we need to make the sauce reduced and thick enough according to my preference. When the sauce is cooked, we can plate it. And that's it for this simple recipe. Enjoy!